Well, good morning. My name is Tom, and I'm coming to you from the desert in Phoenix, Arizona. Apologize for not getting a video out first thing this morning, but I've been juggling a bunch of stuff this morning. The app, as you can see by the screen here, is now showing with the pilot program. Anytime that you go outside of your zone, it's highlighting the new zone that you will be dropping off your order at. So I don't know if the lull that we had this morning in our market was because they were pushing this out or doing a soft launch on this new edition, but this has hit our market as of this morning, and things are hit and miss currently. I still have faith that DoorDash is going to maintain the $20 cap, so they'll make up for it in the system, because it's constantly evaluating where you're at, for the day. You just got to put a little hustle behind your orders, and we should be able to catch up. So I'm looking for at least 320 plus today. Normally I would say 360, but because of this launch, I think it's going to affect everything. You may find that you're taking a slight hit as well. Do I like the feature? Yeah, it's always nice as to whether or not you're going to be going into another zone, because currently I don't like dashing in any other zone but my zone. I'll take stuff from our merchants into other zones, but I usually pause my dash and make a beeline back to go into my zone again to pick up new orders. So this at least now tells me for my Google Sheet, hey, this is going into a totally different market, versus me having to question as to what market that's going into. I can just look now and see. I know exactly what market that is. So let me know if you like this feature or not, if there's any benefits to it or not. I don't know if there's going to be a phase 2 of this, as far as taking orders on the way back, or automatically pausing, or taking up a suggestion that I've made numerous times of coming up with a new order type called an optional order, that if you're taken outside of your zone, that you just head on back to your zone, and if an order pops up on your screen, there would be a little banner that would say, hey, this is an optional order. If you want it, great. If not, it's not going to it's not going to affect your acceptance rating. We're just throwing it out there to see if you want to bite on the order. I really wish that they would implement something along those lines, if not for everybody, maybe for platinum dashers or something along those lines. But yeah, I think that there would be great value in an optional order type. Let me know if you think that would be a good addition to our platform. And secondly, this morning I was working on a laptop, and my mother-in-law, when she retired, maintained the laptop that she was given for her position at her job, and of course it had the enterprise level software on there. So I used my IT background, went into the boot process and did a restore, and totally wiped it, so that this laptop that was just sitting in a closet not to be used again is now back into production. And my goal let me get the camera over here. My goal is to reclaim that, like I did, get a wireless mouse, which showed up this morning, get a Bluetooth dongle, which I got so that I could connect my headset, so that I would have the ability to share the Google Sheets, the data, the stats, to show you the numbers, to show you the monthly, the weekly, information, the hourly information, you know, just show off what it is that I'm using as far as a tool. And so I think one of the next things is probably before March is to get a laptop stand and literally make this into a mobile office, and that way it would be secure inside of the vehicle, locked down, reduce chances of theft, etc., etc. But that way I'd be able to bring more value to you in the community. So our goal today, like I said, minimum 270 in order to hit 100,000 per year. We're already ahead of that, except remember I did take off January 1st, so we're behind one day there, but we've been making over, you know, $340 every day since then. So we've caught up. We're back on track as a minimum. So 270 is the bare minimum. Because of the push of this new software, I'm guessing 320 plus. I did start early, ended late last night, so we're looking for somewhere between 320 plus, you know, for today. I was hoping for a $400 day, but I don't know that that's going to become a reality simply because of the push of this new software and how it slowed things down. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video and go make that money. Hopefully you're doing the same, and I will talk to you tonight.